He would always leave me the most random fucking
dumb things.
Yeah. He called me on like some random number.
Leave me a message.
Hey, this is one
Alright, 2 minutes. Ready, set.
Socks.
Oh, you say
Socks over and over.
right when I picked them to start it.
How big?
Go.
Call back number. Press 5.
It's okay, it's good.
Okay.
Socks.
Hey Amir, what's up? It's Kimmy. I haven't talked to you in a while. And I haven't, I don't know, I was just wondering how you've been. I remember you had this really cool pair of socks that you were wearing the other day. Like the last time I saw you were wearing these socks. They were really cool. I think they were black, but they might have been white. But, yeah.
Socks are cool.
I like the socks that you were wearing,
this
and
is
I want to
totally
know
out
where
of
you got them.
context. I was at a Christmas
And I
party
remember
last
there was a
night,
store in the
and this
mall
guy had
called-
socks that sang.
Have you ever been to Sock and Two Meet?
I've seen socks that sing Christmas songs.
I actually saw these socks at Sock and Two Meet. They sing Christmas songs whenever you walk. You step on the sock and it sings whatever Christmas song you want. They're pretty cool socks. Well, but my favorite socks are the ones with the individual toes. You know where your feet go, your toe goes into each sock. I have one of those. Only a minute. I have one of those. They're Christmas themed.
Remember those socks we got at TJ Maxx, the fry ones, the freaky fries, and then the pie brownie? Yeah.
Yo, she's still talking about socks.
Brownie.
Okay,
What was the brownie one?
You had brownie. I had those. But I had these. I have them.
I still have them in my room.
And they say,
I still wear
those. What do they say? They say lazy lollipop on them. They're the best socks ever. I hate when you walk a lot, and then your socks get all sweaty, and then you have to wear them all day. I hate wearing socks. Like, I can never sleep with socks on. But yeah,
Stick your socks up your ass, Amir.
I like when you wear socks. Kind of turns me on. When you wear socks and boxers.
Socks. Your Power Ranger. Power Ranger.
But socks are awesome. So.
I love socks.
Sockman.
Sockman. Bring me a
The
big
next time we hang out, we should
sockman.
definitely hang out sometime
And go to
soon.
Sock It To Me.
And we should go to Sock It To Me, and you should buy me a pair of socks. Because, dude,
Socks are
the coolest
awesome.
socks ever. But
Six.
socks.
I've
Socks.
had
Socks.
Socks.